Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use spirulina powder for hair growth. Spirulina is a nutrient-dense superfood packed with proteins, vitamins, and minerals that are essential for healthy hair. It works by strengthening your hair follicles, reducing breakage, and protecting your strands from environmental damage. Consistent application can truly stimulate new growth and enhance overall hair thickness. To create your own spirulina hair mask, start by combining 1 to 2 tablespoons of spirulina powder with a small amount of water. For added moisture and a smoother consistency, you can also mix in some aloe vera gel. Stir everything together thoroughly until you achieve a consistent, lump-free paste. A few drops of rosemary essential oil can also be a beneficial addition. Once your spirulina mask is ready, apply it evenly to damp hair, paying special attention to your scalp and roots. Take a few minutes to gently massage the mixture into your scalp. This helps stimulate blood flow. Allow the mask to sit on your hair for 20 to 30 minutes. After this time, rinse your hair thoroughly with lukewarm water until all residue is gone. For the best results, remember to perform a patch test before applying the mask to your entire scalp, just to ensure no adverse reactions. Consistency is truly important, so aim to use this spirulina mask 1 to 2 times per week. Always store your spirulina powder in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. If you have persistent scalp issues, consult a healthcare professional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.